Hare Krishna friends, welcome back to my channel Kitchen Capers. Wish you all happy Janmashtami friends. So today on this eve I'm gonna share special sweets with you all. So let's start with yummy rasmalai. So here I have taken 2 liters cow milk. So after milk gets boiled, remove it from the gas and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now take 1 cup of water and half cup of vinegar. Mix it. Now mix it to the milk. Mix it slowly. Don't add all at a time. So friends, here I want to share a tips with you all. So after the milk get boiled, don't add immediately vinegar. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add, so that your chena will be soft. You can see the chena is too soft. Now add cold water to it and strain it out. Wash it with water 2-3 times so that there will be no vinegar smell and taste. Now squeeze out the water and leave it for 1 hour. This is 2 liter Buffalo's full fat milk. So we have to reduce this milk to half, that is till it comes to 1 liter. Now it is done. Add half cup of sugar to it. 8 to 10 almonds, 8 to 10 cashew nuts, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of saffron milk. After adding all this, cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes and then switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Add 2 tablespoons of semolina, half tablespoon of baking powder and mix it and knead the dough properly. And even you can add little water if your dough is tight. So to make this rasmalai, dough should be more softer. Now take 1.5 liter of water and add 250 grams of sugar to it. Now take a small bowl and make a round ball shape and press it. Don't press more, just once you press. And don't make it too thin, otherwise it may break. So these are ready now. Now pour it in a sugar syrup, boiling sugar syrup. And here one more tip I want to share. Do not add all at a time. Add slowly one by one, because it decreases the temperature of this syrup. Now cover it and keep the flame on high for 15 minutes. Cook it for 15 minutes. So now after 15 minutes it's ready now. You can see it has fluffed very nicely. And I'll show you this. So it's done now. Now switch off the flame and squeeze out the syrup. Press it slowly. Now add it to the milk One by one, do this in the same way. Let this also cool, and after that you squeeze it out and keep it in this milk and let it cool for 6 to 7 hours in fridge. Then enjoy it. So our next sweet is Malai Laddu. So here I have taken 1.5 liter of full fat milk, boil it, 1 cup water and half cup vinegar. Add this after the milk gets boiled. Add this immediately. No need to leave it for 3 minutes. You can add after boil. So you can see our milk started curdling. So it has completely curdled now. Strain it out. And now wash it 2 to 3 times with water to remove the vinegar smell and taste. Now squeeze it and leave for half an hour. After half an hour, take it out and mash it with the masher, potato masher, for 1 to 2 minutes. So it's done now. So here I have taken 1 liter of milk and I am reducing it. So keep the flame on high so that your sweet doesn't turn to creamish color. It remains white color. So it has reduced. We have to reduce to when it comes to at least half cup. It remains. Now it's time to add chena to it. Add it and mix it properly. After adding, cook it on high flame. Add cardamom powder, half teaspoon. Add 5 tablespoons of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of fresh malai or cream. This is mishri, 1 tablespoon crushed. So it's done now. Switch off the flame and leave this mixture for 2 hours to cool down. Now take a small portion and make round ball out of it. And it's ready now. Repeat this. Now garnish it with raisin. So the delicious Malai Laddu is ready. So our another sweet is Mohan Thal. Take 2 cups of gram flour or besan. Add 3 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of milk to it and mix it properly. Now add it into a jar and blend it once. So you can see it's done now. Now take it in a vessel. Now take a pan and add 1 cup of ghee to it and add this gram flour to it. Stir it. Cook it on low to medium flame. So now you can see the bubbles on it. Now add half cup of milk. Add slowly. Now mix it. So you can see after adding it, it has dried up completely. Cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add cashew and almonds to it. Now take another vessel and make sugar syrup. Water 3/4 cup, sugar 1 cup and half teaspoon of cardamom powder, and let it cook until it comes to one string of consistency. So it's done now. Mix it and cook it. Keep the flame on low to medium and cook it until all the water gets evaporated and it leaves the pan. So you can see it is done. Now switch off the flame and stir it for a few minutes. Now take a plate and grease it with ghee. Now add this mixture to it and make it plain with the help of spatula. Now add almond and cashew nut. Tap it so that it stick to it and leave this until for 2 to 3 hours. After 2-3 hours, now cut it into shape. I am cutting this into square shape. So the yummy Mohan Thal sweet is ready. Thank you friends for watching this recipe. I hope you all enjoyed it and do try this recipe at your home, and if you like it, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel. Once again, wish you all happy Janmashtami.